Guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the theme of WordPress. Okay, I'm now in WordPress demo site here. Default, when you first install your WordPress, right, it's actually 2025 theme. This theme is a block theme. Okay, a block theme. If you want to change the theme, you don't like this, you can come over at under appearance. Okay, your backend appearance themes. Okay, and you can search for themes based on what you require, or you can just glance through the themes that are available here. Okay, for now, for example, I want to install this theme, Inspiro theme. Okay, let's take a look. It has a good rating, very good rating. Okay, this is a demo of this theme, how it will look. Okay, how it will look. The look and feel of the theme. By the way, each theme look and feel is different. Okay, so once you change a theme, the whole structure is different because the developer will work on it differently. Okay, I'm going to use this theme. Okay, like this. I'm going to use this theme is Spiral theme and install. Yeah, it's installing. Activate. Okay, now my theme is this. Okay, let me show you the front end view, how it looks like. Okay, this is the front end view of the theme. After I install this Inspiro theme, okay, Inspiro theme. So that's how you change the look and feel of a theme. Let me show you maybe some more theme example by searching some themes. Okay, maybe we do a shopping, a shopping theme. So there are various themes, thousands of free themes available here. Okay, you can search based on certain keywords of the sectors that you are in. Okay, like pastry shop, shoe store. For example, you just go in here, take a look. No one rated. Personally, I prefer to install a theme that has a higher rating. Okay, higher rating, with good reviews. Just on the Inspiro is one of the theme. So let's, for example, do like online shop. This theme. This theme is also another good theme for shops. Okay, so you can consider this theme. Let me, for example, install this. Okay, install. I can click the install here, or I can click on. Let me show you the preview first. Preview how it looks like. This is about us, parent page, and all these things. So okay, click on install, activate. So this theme is actually activated. By the way, those themes that you previously installed is still here. Don't worry that the theme is gone. You can reactivate it back. Or if you don't want a theme, you can just delete this theme. Click delete like this. Delete. Okay, let's look at the front end view. I'll refresh. The look and feel has changed. So you need to add the products and all those things, then you will see all the shopping look. Okay, like this and all the settings. So that yeah, then if you want you can go back and reactivate this Inspiro theme. Then I will go back to my front end. It's back. Okay, it's back. So for example like Hello World, things like that. Okay, so that's how to change the theme, add new theme. Okay, if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.